We're going to get fruit bowls, right?
Yes, ma'am. Should be on that corner over there.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Alright, we're gonna go into this place here and see about getting, we're gonna go in here and see about getting breakfast. We're gonna get fruit bowls or something. Are we gonna take them to go? Or are we?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Let's check it out. Oh wow, it's like a whole bar of stuff. We're gonna try this fruit bowls here. It looks delicious. They have a lot of options. We're taking those to go. Thank you, love.
You're welcome, baby.
It looks good.
It looks like a good little fruit bowl.
Yeah.
Yogurt, granola like you like?
Yeah.
Strawberries,
I like strawberry, mango.
mango.
I like strawberries and mangoes, and they put honey on it.
Ooh.
Yeah. Good little combo.
Breakfast combo.
Whoa! I almost broke my face. I was busy looking at my bowl, not looking at where I was walking. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on. Let me take this thing off so I don't get it spilled on. Ooh. Perfect. Let's try this. Should I mix it all together? I feel like I should mix it all together.
Head south on
I hope I like this yogurt. I hope it's not like the yogurt we had in Rincon.
No, that's Greek yogurt. The Rincon yogurt was homemade yogurt.
Ew, that was disgusting. It had no like sugar at all. It was so bitter. It tasted like rancid.
I think they are.
Mmm.
Pretty good.
Got a lot of flavors.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
My taste buds are going on crazy.
It's so sweet and then sour. And it's a cool building, like red stone.
Oh, it makes you pucker.
I like it though. It's good.
I do too.
I think it's real flavorful.
Yeah.
Everything here is like a taste bud explosion.
Yeah, the only thing I didn't like was the bagel that from this morning.
Yeah.
But that wasn't your fault or anything.
Yeah, mine wasn't great either. And I got everything I like.
Wow, I've got bacon and everything
I
on
had
it.
bacon, I had eggs, I had everything bagel.
Colorado Springs, right? That's where we're going?
The Garden of the Gods.
Ooh. Yay.
Because you're a goddess and it's your birthday. So
Yeah.
we gotta take you back to your garden.
Was Medusa a goddess?
No. Maybe. Well, maybe.
I thought she was like a mythical god of sorts. Mythology. When I took theater in college, we had to go over all the mythical whatevers.
She was like evil though. I don't know.
She turned people into stone.
Yeah. She wasn't like good. She like guarded some treasure or some shit.
Yeah, but I don't think that the full story was told to us in school. Like, I think that she wasn't always bad. Like, a spell was put on her for whatever reason. And then, like, if you made, like, eye contact with her, like it was like looking into a mirror, and if you didn't like what like you saw back, I think that's when you turned to stone. I don't think that she just went around turning people to stone. I think that there's like more into it than that. Yeah, it's like a moral to the story. Yeah, like people aren't set in stone. You can change if you don't like what you see. You know what I mean? Where with her, if you didn't like what you see, then you couldn't change. You were stone. Like, you know. You see, I chipped my tooth, and I think I did it yesterday when I bit the nose off of the snowman. Check this out. Chris got a picture, and that's definitely where my tooth is like now fucked up and like jaggedy. So we're pretty sure that the carrot was frozen, and I like just bit through a frozen carrot and chipped my tooth. Yeah, good job, Felicia. You're real fucking smart. 34 years old, acting like a 5-year-old. That's what you get. We are gonna go to this place called Crave Burger. Wendy told me about it, and I just looked up best places to eat in Colorado Springs, and it was on the list of like one of the 15 places. So we're gonna try it out and see. It looked like they had all kinds of crazy burgers and stuff.